Nintendo's Switch Pro controller is fantastic, but it's also kind of big. If you struggle to get a good grip on it, or if you simply want a smaller controller to tuck into your bag, Power's new Nano enhanced wireless controller for the Switch, also compatible with Windows 10, is a good solution. It's a more compact version that shaves about a third off the size of Nintendo's official controller. Most of its design and features are faithful, including USB-C charging, motion controls, and LED lights on its bottom to indicate connectivity status. The Nano is $49.99, which is significantly less than the $69 Switch Pro, and it comes in two colorways: black with gray details around the sticks and triggers, or gray with neon blue and red details sprinkled in. Power A Nano Enhanced Controller for Switch. This controller has two configurable buttons on its rear that are easy to reach. Controls aside, you'll find a USB-C charging port on the Nano's top, and Power A claims that it can last 20 hours between each charge. Many third-party Switch controllers use replaceable batteries, so it's great that this one's built-in and rechargeable. It also lasts for a few weeks at a time if you only play for a little while each day. There's an LED near the port that indicates when the battery level is critically low. In the box, Power A includes a 10-foot USB-C to USB-A cable along with a drawstring pouch for the controller. In terms of reliability, it's up there with the Switch Pro, which is to say, it's excellent. I found it just as easy to connect to the Switch, requiring just a press of the pairing button near the USB-C port for it to be connected. The process for pairing it to a Windows 10 PC with Bluetooth is the same. It never drops signal with the console, and Power's 20-hour battery life claim holds up well. The Nano's build quality is great. It has a rugged, matte textured feel around the controller's body that really works for a smaller controller. The Power A Nano is a good complement for the Switch Pro. Depending on your hand size, it could easily be your main Switch controller.